Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see in the title, I will be reviewing the Fenty primer and also the new Fenty Hydrating foundation. So I did a I don't want to do like a just one day reviewing the foundation and primer because it's not, it's not really giving the justice. So anyways, what I did is yesterday I applied the foundation and the primer, and I used them yesterday for like a long 15 to 16 hours maybe. And then if you want to see my thoughts, like how it looks like on my skin, on if it's good or not, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I already did my eyebrows and we're gonna jump into the primer, and I also moisturize my face. So the primer, this is the new primer. This is the Fenty Beauty True Matte primer. I do have the old primer that they released a couple of years ago. This one right here, and I really love this primer, you guys. But I think I stopped using this one because I feel like it's expired already and I don't want to use expired products. But yeah, I'm just keeping the bottle because I don't know, it's expensive and I don't know, I just want to keep the bottle for now. But anyway, let's move on with this primer. Like I said, I already used this foundation yesterday and I already have some of my thoughts gathered to you guys. So if you're new to my channel, I am combination to oily skin. I normally oil up in my T-zone, and this part right here is like normal. And for foundation, I got the shade 280. I did order online the 290 and it just went, I don't know, it's just not my shade. It's like dark for me. And then when I went to Sephora, the 280 kind of matches, and it did. At first when I put it yesterday, I was like confused of the color, but then after putting the concealer, the bronzer and everything, I'm just like, okay, I think this is like, like the best shade for me. So anyways, before I dive into the foundation, let's just talk about the primer. The primer says here online it's $30 something, I think. Yeah, it's $32. I'm looking at my computer right now like that, and it says oil-free formula, shine stopping, pore diffusing finish. And it says extended makeup wear. Now I did wear this makeup in the foundation and primer yesterday for like almost 16 hours, like 15 to 16 hours, and you guys, I can't wait to share you my final thoughts. So anyways, I'm gonna use this like stripping brush from Wet n Wild and just put the primer in. Mind you, I still have like some redness in my face, like here, this side, and due to acne, like pimples. And it's still the same smell as the old primer. I still like that smell. Like it's like a baby. It's not even baby powder, but it just smells. It smells really good. It's not that annoying smell. Okay, guys, for the foundation, the price for the foundation is, let's see, $32, I think. No, not 32, but 30. I can't really see. It's $35, and like I said earlier, I got the shade 280, and 280 is it's perfect for medium to tan with neutral undertones, so that's why I pick it up. So anyways, this is the packaging look like. I do have the Pro Matte foundation that they released, but when I purchased this foundation, but when I purchased this foundation, this was like my summer shade. So you guys can see like it's different. Like this is like my summer shade. And I also stopped using this one, even though I did use this like all summer, but now I just realized that it's like, I think I have this for a long time now. This is 310. My shade summertime is 310. I normally change my foundation shade because of the weather. Like summertime, I tend to like, I'm like more like tanner than I usually am, and then like fall, winter time, I'm like getting lighter. But anyway, for this foundation, it's like I said, it's $35, and let's just dive in. And the side of my face, I'm gonna use a sponge that is from Fenty Beauty as well. And then in my right side, I'm gonna use my Sigma Run Kabuki. It's F82 brush, so it's just like perfect for a foundation brush. Anyway, so this side I'm gonna use, I think I'm just gonna go for 2 pumps, and let's just give this a whirl. No, I don't know if you guys see that. I really like that finish, like especially in a fall winter time, like it's cold here where I live. I tend to get more like really dry in this area. That's just giving me glow vibes. Like, look how hydrated it's like, look fresh. It's like your skin but better. This foundation will give you that you know, that feeling. Okay guys, this is the side with the foundation, and this is the side without the foundation. Now I can actually tell right off the bat that it is medium to full coverage. Like, you can build up the coverage if you like it very full coverage, if you want it, you know, just your skin but better. But I do love this coverage, and I like, as you guys can see, it actually matches like my my skin. So it's just a little bit, I can see like a little bit, tad bit more like pinkish, new, like something like that. But it's actually sitting pretty on this side right here. Now we're gonna try it on with the brush, because I feel like the sponge itself is just soaking up the foundation. So we're gonna see in this side with the brush. So I'm just gonna put like 1, 2, 3, let's just say 3 pumps in the side, and just dive in. Okay guys, so I don't know if you guys can see that on a camera, but this is more like very like covered, full coverage, and it actually covers up like my pimples right here. I do still have that pimple right there, and then like the scars, like acne scars. So that is really good. Like, when I apply this foundation, and you guys can see the inner glow right there. So what I'm gonna do is apply the rest of my makeup, and then I will be right back.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Okay guys, so I will insert a kind of like a vlog footage of me yesterday trying the foundation, and also like updating you guys like how many like the time. So I will insert that right now. Babe, I have a question.
Me too.
Baby, how do you like my foundation?
Alright guys, see you see another
Which home?
another leg up.
Baby, foundation.
Oh.
What do you mean it's home?
Your home on your foundation?
Oh my god. I'm not gonna show your face because I know you don't like it, but just take a look.
Yeah, dirt. Let me see.
Oh,
Let me touch it.
don't touch
It
it.
looks real good, baby. Let's see here. It almost looks like you have it in your hair. What you got in there? Makes
Nothing.
your hair look a little red.
There's nothing in my hair.
Looks smooth. Looks golden. Looks good.
It looks golden.
Yeah, you're golden. It's good. It's gold.
Is it like details? I want details. Is it hydrating? Is it like glowing? Is it matte? How?
There are little earnings play.
It looks looks good. It looks moisturized and real good. I don't know.
It looks moisturized.
Yeah. Let me
Why
touch
is
it.
it? Baby, don't touch it, you dumbass.
I thought that's how you supposed
Why
to
would you test? Why would you? No,
You said how it felt?
no, that's no. Just look at it.
I see, guys. Trying to
It's not creasing or anything. Well, I normally crease right here.
obviously pretty speculative.
No, I don't see any cracks in it. Looks smooth. Looks glowy. Looks good.
Okay. Oil check for almost 5 o'clock now.
Does it feel, is it there?
It's the oil.
I need to find my necklaces.
This part right here, it's still pretty good, you guys. You can see the lines here, right here. That's because, and also here a little bit, that's because I'm wearing a glasses. It normally happens in every foundation, you know, like I wear my favorite foundation. It normally happens because it's like, it's glasses. I have to when I'm driving, I have to wear glasses because I am blind. So yeah, that's like normal for me. But like I did blot like 3 times, for not 3, like 4 times, like the whole since what I put this foundation like 9 something or 8 something. Because after that I did film the KKW guys review. So let's just say around 8, 9, 10, 11, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's like 15 hours now. This is like, it's good. It's 15 hours. Are you kidding me? Wow. And you can still see the bronzer is from Fenty Beauty as well. The highlighter is still there. Like my eyebrows is still intact and everything. So yeah, and then the concealer that I use is also from Fenty Beauty. And then I don't know what my shade is, 210. Okay, the 210. And then the powder is in the shade Butter right here. Yeah, the shade Butter from Fenty Beauty. But anyway guys, I'm gonna do, like I said, I'm gonna try this for 2 days or maybe 2 or 3 days. It depends on me, but I will try it again tomorrow and see like my, you know, my final thoughts about this. But I will tell you guys tomorrow. But this is the final check-in, 11:25 now, because I gotta take this off because I am ready to go to sleep. Okay, good night. So okay you guys, I actually love both of the primer and foundation. The combination of the True Matte Primer and the Hydrating Foundation, it's like the best. Like it's like the best. It's like out there. I do want to get the I believe they have the Hydrating Primer as well together with this one, but I didn't get those because I just don't want it to weigh hydrating. I like it, my finish like more of like natural velvety matte look, if you know what I mean. So yeah, this foundation is like the best. Like for me, I highly recommend it for you guys. Like I don't know, maybe if this foundation worked for me, that doesn't mean like the foundation will work for you. So I would suggest maybe like get a sample first, and then, you know, splurge your money by buying the Fenty hydrating foundation. I cannot speak. So yeah, like I said, my shade is 280. Yeah, 280. And then for the primer, I still love this primer. I feel like, I don't know if they changed the formula because I didn't read the description, but I love the primer. The smells amazing, and I forgot how the smell of this foundation, but it smells the same as the matte foundation that they released a couple years ago. But anyway, guys, I hope this review or impression helped you guys out, especially for my oily skin girls out. Yeah, it actually works for me, but you know, like I said, go to your local Sephora, you know, grab some samples. If I think you can actually grab some samples, like, you know, for you, and then just test it out. And then, you know, if it works for you, that's good, but if it doesn't work for you, I'm sorry. But the combination of my hydrating foundation and the primer looks really good on me, and it works so well with the 16 hours, you know, like hour. A lot of people are like, oh, I want to work at 24 hours, but you know, like typically for me, I don't have to worry about 24 hours, you know, say for foundation, because like, who's gonna wear a foundation for 24 hours? Not me. But for a 16 hours period, like the longevity of this foundation and primer gives me that satisfaction, and you know, it's like worth the points. It's worth the points. So anyway, if you don't want to splurge, it's okay, because I know a lot of drugstore foundation and primer now, like the drugstore are like, they're trying their best, like they're up there, like, you know, they're thriving. Our babies are thriving. But anyway, guys, like this video if you haven't already. I mean, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.